Hello dear subscribers, that will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you're not receiving 6-digit code on your Facebook, so how you can fix this error? So for fixing it, first thing, just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings, just open the settings, and if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just check your Wi-Fi connection. So also you can try to turn it off and turn on again. And if it doesn't help you, you can also try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. And if you're using cellular data, just open cellular data and just turn it on and turn off again. And also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. Or you can try to go to the general. In the general, just open software updates and just wait until it will check for updates. And if you see here available updates, just download and install them on your iPhone. And also, you can try to restore your phone. So just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down. You will see here under reset. You will see shutdown. Just tap on shutdown. Slide to power off. Wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple. Restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so the latest way you can try, just go to App Store, just go to search tab, and in the search just write Facebook. And if you see here not open but update, it means that you have available updates. Just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Facebook. So this is the way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.